Hey everyone, it's your girl Kiana Nicole, and I am here right now to do a wig review for you from WowAfrican. This one I'm really excited about. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and you can see how excited I am right here, so let's get started. Y'all have to excuse me because I am so sick right now, so I'm doing the best that I can, and I'm gonna do this for you guys. So this wig came in a really cute satin pinkish bag. It's so cute and this automatically screams great quality. I decided to just get an extra elastic band to strap around just in case I needed an extra one. You know, you never know, and it gives you that extra security that you need. Then it came with this cool little pamphlet with hair care instructions, really detailed. So yeah, so it gives you hair care tips for maintaining curly hair, and it even lets you know what the return and exchange policy is. So let's get to it. This is the wig, guys, the beautiful wig. So the actual name of the wig that I got is called, let me see. Okay, it is called the Jessica Long Ombre Hair Lace Wig. 24 inches in length. It's more of a light brown with a hint of honey. That's kind of the color it is. I chose the same as Celebrity Image, so you can click on the link in the description and see for yourself. The part in the middle is not too bad. And I don't know, you guys can see it's pretty see-through, so you can see my finger underneath as well. It comes with the elastic band. Cool. It also comes with these combs, which I prefer not to use. The cap size I got is a small to medium. I got the cap for glueless full lace wig cap. Light brown lace color, baby hair, yes of course, and 180% density. Soft, wavy, and cute. I'm gonna stand up for you guys just so you can see how long it is compared to my body. My boyfriend was like, what the hell? Okay, so this is the wig that I used to have, you guys. It used to be just as long as that Jessica Long wig. Do you see this? This thing is short as hell. I got it from Amazon, and it became a bob, y'all. But this one I love, so let's get to the video. I'm going to show you guys how I get this wig ready for my head. So I start by cutting the lace completely. I cut off a lot. This is just something that I've learned since I've owned wigs the past year and a half, and I cut as close as I can to the actual part. But what I do recommend when you are cutting the lace is to trim as little as possible. Don't trim off a big chunk at first because you just never know. There's even a point, not here, but there were times in the past where I would trim a little bit, put it on my head, see how it looks, and then notice the change and then notice how much I dislike it. Then I make sure to take it off and retrim it again and just go through that process. But me, I know that I like to cut as close to the part as possible to make it look as natural. However, if you aren't sure about the wig that you got, if you don't like the style, the feel, the smell, all you have to do is leave the lace as it is, and I believe you can return it, depending on how complicated your order was to begin with. Alrighty, now that the lace is all cut, say goodbye and finally try it on. Now I'm gonna actually style it, guys. So I start by brushing it through, making sure that this hair becomes my own. Style it, brush it, comb it, do whatever you need to do. The next thing that I do is I get my little water bottle I got from the 99-cent store and spray it around the top, the sides, to make sure that the flyaways really lay down. Get them edges, get them edges, get them edges. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You guys, this feels so bomb. Again, it doesn't smell bad. It smells like an actual regular wig, so that's up to you to make it smell good. So now it's time to trim away. I honestly love layers in my hair. I can't wear my hair just straight down like that. So I got it extra long in length just so that I can trim it to my liking, to really shape my face and my body. You guys, I was so nervous to do this because I haven't trimmed wigs in a while since I've been wearing my hair natural. And this was the struggle, especially the right side for me. It's like, how do you flip it to lay down? Right? It's just hard. But the left side, y'all, it was easier. Way easier. Okay, so you guys, I don't actually recommend trimming your wig yourself. It's honestly kind of stupid unless you know what you're doing, because you really don't want to risk cutting your wig that you paid so much for to end up ruining it like I thought I did there. I was so pissed. So yeah, you guys, I almost gave up, but I had to cut the camera off and actually pay attention at this part, so but I continued to play with it and trim it to what I thought was at least cute. And voila! So I started to curl my hair for you guys to make it look extra cute and stylish and beautiful. So here I'm using like a 1 inch, 2 inch, I don't know what inch curling iron from Conair, I believe, or L'Oreal. I don't know what it is, but it's a gift from my sister. More like hand-me-downs. But yeah, so I curled it away from my face, and this is how it looks. I get my comb, run it through the top part of my head to give me that look that I love. And this is the final look. I will definitely be purchasing from WowAfrican again. This is the best wig I've ever owned. The best investment I've ever made.
What we do here is go back.
This is the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, much love.